Me show it?
Show it to me.
Oh, okay. I'm doing this. Okay, so I got him this mystery box. Something here, which is nicely wrapped up.
Did you say hot dog? You say really hot dog?
I'm opening your gift.
Oh, okay. You should be okay. Yeah. Alright.
Start this. It's nothing expensive. Go ahead.
I mean, I don't know. It's not about being expensive or something like this. You ain't gotta be expensive, right? It's just a way to appreciate whatever the person does for you. You know? But anyway, I'm just gonna open like the one that I already saw.
The one that looks like a hot dog.
Oh my god. Let's see what you got for me, alright? And don't mind for my drawers just right there. I'm clean. Easy.
Oh yeah.
I literally know.
Oh,
Why
yeah.
is it French though? Je t'aime.
because it's French.
Je t'aime. Je t'aime.
Oh my gosh.
What else? What else you got me? This? This one?
Chocolate.
Oh, man. Chocolate. Should I open it right now?
No,
No?
because I'm probably gonna take it and eat it.
That's little. You can't do that. Like, you can't buy me something
I'm
and just
kidding, I'm
eat it.
joking, I'm joking. This is yours.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Let's see. Should I close my eyes?
It's something soft. Okay, go.
Oh, wow. Oh my god.
Guys, if you remember from last video,
Literally from the last video. Literally from the last freaking video. Like, literally. Oh my god.
we had to add him to the family.
Oh my god. And I said,
Oh, to him or her? I don't know.
Yeah. How much it was though?
Expensive. I mean, yeah.
Like, I never see the price and all, so I was just like, okay, you know, I want it. Like, god damn, my boy's back. I knew he was some. Look, he's dancing already.
Oh my
God,
god.
nigga. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Mm. Oh my god. So I'm literally, I don't know where to put it though.
They had a tinier one for cheaper, like
Yeah.
this small, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna go big in.
Oh my god. This is sick. I swear to God, I'm not gonna lie.
I was like, should I? And I was like, yeah.
Oh my god. You know what?
So now you got two.
Yeah, I really do got to. Now I'm a kid again. You want me to be a kid?
Yeah.
No, but this one look like a grown nigga. This thing is literally what? Smiling right now, right? Literally smiling. But wait, let me show you some. Same face, right? Oh my god, look this. This thing is scary, man. Wow.
I told you.
What the? Oh
Good
my-
luck sleeping tonight.
Yo, now see, now it's blurry. Oh my god. It's just... Yeah, I think I found it. I think I'm just gonna get this. Literally. This one look cute. It looks like clean and all. So it's like just a small thing, just to do the same as she did. I think I should take this. I think I should take this for real. So I really got her this, like chocolate, but I just came across with this, right? Like sponge, I mean bath sponge. This is like to clean yourself with. I really want to get her that. That'd be so funny, I swear to God. Should I get her this? Oh my god. That's really not bad for a gift. Keep her like, you know, fit, you know, soft and all. This is really soft though. I think I found them. These are like sexy. Oh my god. Should I get these?
There you go.
Kayla doesn't know that I'm actually in the bathroom and she's in the room right now. I'm gonna make sure that everything's put together. I want to see her reaction. Maybe. Right now it's well put together, so we're gonna see if she's gonna like it. But you know, I went to Jean Coutu. It's a store. I got something. You know, it's not expensive, but something that she might like. You know, so let's see if she's gonna like it. I'm gonna see her like reaction. You know, it's not a lot. It's not a lot. You know, but anyway, yeah, I get the point. It's just making someone happy and appreciated for who they are and all, like to you. You know. So let's go see her reaction.
Aw. I was just about to be like,
What were you doing?
watching a video.
What kind of video? My YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's where he went.
Wait. You like it?
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't see
I
it
like,
yet?
I like it so far. I like where this is going.
Okay. Let's see if she gonna like
I'm
it.
scared. Okay.
Oops.
You got me grandma slippers.
Wait, you don't like it?
These are grandma slippers. It's
Are you
fine.
serious?
And you got me. I like this though. This is nice. These are grandma slippers.
Hey.
They're still cute. They're still cute. But I like this. I like this more. And my favorite color is not even pink.
She don't like it. She don't like it. Why? She... Why? Why wouldn't you like it? It's just slippers. They're cute. You should really tell me in the comment section, like, Lily, what should I get, like, her next? Like, I feel like that wasn't the best. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna just change spot. Let's see if she was faking, because I don't think so, no. Babe, were you joking?
These are good. I mean, it don't make you sound grateful. They're nice.
You don't like them?
It's not my style. It's not my
For
style.
real?
Yeah. Well, I feel grateful.
Okay, I'm gonna return them.
I mean, I can still use them at home. But I'm not gonna wear them.
Are you serious?
Okay, I don't want to make you feel bad, but they're still nice. You're just being disappointed. Come back.
Should I give it to my grandma?
It'll be a nice gift for her.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, it's my first, you know, it's my first gift, like, to a girl, so I don't really know, like, how to really give to a girl, like, something, you know what I mean? Yeah? Why are you laughing?
Because you're so funny. You're so
No, I'm
cute.
not funny. Like, I don't know, like, what to get for, you know,
He's
a
so
girl.
cute, you guys. I can't.
But,
But just not something I would wear, you know? You have to get something that you know I like. See, look what I got you. You like that, right?
yeah, I did like him, but it's scary.
Yeah, because you
Duh,
wanted it in
no.
the store.
I'm gonna give it to my grandma. Let's see if she's gonna be grateful.
Não?
J'ai un cadeau pour vous.
Por não, hein?
I got a gift for you. Come here. See how she's happy?
Ei, merci, merci, merci. Merci, 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 merci.
É, são bons dia. It did turn good though.
Mesmo com a boa na âme.
Tu vois, c'est juste pour la maison, tu vois. No série. C'est là.
C'est correct.
Vous êtes sûr? Let me see. Cara, fala meu tu me yet agora go.
Tiens, 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 tiens.
C'est correct?
C'est correct. C'est ça, c'est ça.
Ça vous va vraiment?
Merci. Hein?
Ça vous va vraiment?
Ça, c'est bon.
Yeah, I
Pour,
guess.
pour les fourroirs.
Okay.
Merci.
You're welcome.
Félicitations.
You're
On vous
welcome.
remercie beaucoup. Beaucoup, beaucoup, beaucoup. Vous êtes gentils.
What you gonna say to the camera?
Le Dieu de bénéfice. Merci.
Good Saint Valentine for
Yeah, good Saint Valentin to everybody. That's nice. That's nice. Give me a high five.
Yeah.
We're gonna make videos soon, okay?
Yeah.
Okay? I promise. I promise. Okay?
I know.
I promise. You're welcome.
On te remercie beaucoup.
She liked it?
Your grandma. See?
No, it could be for anybody. So we at, pizza. What I was thinking that probably cook for her, cook for us.
See, that's
Some macaroni and a pizza. That's nice, right?
that's nice. Why does the face look so?
I'm gonna cook her some pasta and also like some pizza. You like that?
I love it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. See, less money.
See, it doesn't matter about the big things.
What?
It doesn't matter about the big things.
Doesn't matter the big thing. What does matter?
I was gonna say something. Tap the camera.
I feel like I should be making pasta for her and I. Just for her, as well. I think this is not really bad to me. Like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Like, making pasta for your girl, can make. I need lightning. Like, literally, I can make pasta. It's not bad, Like, I'm literally here making some pasta for Kayla and all. I think, Valentine's Day is just a way to catch up. Just, make some sweet stuff instead of just going to eat outside. You know what I mean? Anyway, hopefully she's gonna like it once I'm done with it. With some chicken and all. Yeah, see, I'm really genuine. Like, I'm just gonna make that quick. And then black pepper. Sauce right here. She don't know I'm using this sauce, right? So I'm gonna include that, and everything's gonna be fire. Like, I'm a cooker, you know what I mean? Anyway, let's. Yeah, the sauce. The sauce. Oh my god, Put the pizza on the side and the spaghettis. Like, literally, this menu right here would probably be like $100. Like, I'm telling you, like, literally $100. So let's see if she's gonna like it. Pizza on the side and the Mr. Fear Chance spaghettis, like, well done, like $100, 4 stars, going to 5 stars. Anyway, it depends on the taste. Let's go. See if she's gonna like it.
Thank you, baby.
That look good.
It does. I put it on my lap on my reviews and it burned my skin.
Yeah. Anyway, you like it?
Yeah,
just
I love it.
Taste it though. You can't just tell.
It is so hot, I might burn myself. Oh, it's spicy.
You like it? Oh.
Thank you.
Hey, like, scale out of 10.
I would say 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
It's a bit spicy though.
You say you like spicy.
I do sometimes.
Come on, just eat your food, man. She always like picky,
I'm
you're
very
happy,
picky.
right?
Yeah, I'm really happy.
Hey, I'm the man, Can I get a kiss? Kiss, Anyway, I'm gonna get mine downstairs too.
Bye.
Okay.
Alright, you guys. Show up the back. Anyways, baby, if you're watching this, I love you. Thank you for cooking that food. It was hella good. I'm hella well fed. Oh, I thought you were coming. Anyways, take care, baby. Happy Valentine's Day. Love you so much. How do you turn this thing off? Wait.